So yeah, if you loving these DIYs that I'm doing, I encourage you to hit the like button and also the ring bell. Drop down in the comment section below any other kind of DIYs that you would like to see me do, you all. And I will put a link down below so that you all can see how I did all of these DIYs. And so like I said, this is a IKEA inspired mirrored vanity table. Listen, I am a Barbie on the budget, and it is what it is, you all. So check it out when you get some time. Look at part one. I did part one, posted it yesterday, I believe, and this is part two, the finished look. Ain't that adorable? I use these, and these are keychain holders and hooks, and I turned it upside down, and all I did was hot glue the E6000 a gem on there so that it can have a better look. Who told you? So yeah, this is what it is. This is what it is. And this is some other DIYs that I took and did, you all. Like I said, if you liking it, if you loving these DIYs, please, I want to hear from you all. But make sure you thumbs up, like these videos, because the more you like them, the more YouTube will spread the video around so others can also check it out. And also look at this makeup mirror that I created, and there's a video about this on how I made this. So if you're liking it, like I said, hit the like button, and I want to hear from you all. I want to know what other ideas that you all have that we can create together. But until then, I want you all to tap the subscribe button and hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. And if you're not a part of Frederica Nation, please become a part of Frederica Nation. We are a family. We'd love to have you. Thank y'all so much. You all have a wonderful day. Thank y'all.